All right, guys, so this is actually my mom. We're both hungry. We need to eat. We're gonna go ahead and start off with some oatmeal. Right? The first gluten-free meal of the day, our oatmeal breakfast.
All right, guys. So this is my own recipe. It's completely gluten-free. So I use this, Morton's Himalayan pink salt. This, of course, is just organic Saigon cinnamon, some baking vanilla, organic sprouted pumpkin seeds, which is sea salt, Bob's Red Mill organic old-fashioned rolled oats whole grain, Nature's Path organic pumpkin seed flax. I like to have the unsweetened original almond milk, Starthistle Wild Flower honey, and it's not been processed at all, straight from the beekeeper. Wow. And then I get like the unfiltered extra virgin olive oil, which I just do a little drizzle of. So that's it. Half a cup of oats, half a cup of almond milk.
Cap full of vanilla.
It's 3/4 of a teaspoon. 1/8 of a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Perfect. And a heaping teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/2 of a teaspoon.
And that's with the oil?
Olive oil. So the honey, oh yeah, it's a
little more.
1.5 tablespoons, or just a very big heaping.
The biggest scoop you can in a tablespoon.
Yes. Yep. And then just melt it in. And then you just give it a little stir. It's like pie.
All right, let's test this thing. Whoa. Hold up. Yeah. That's amazing. Wow. Sorry, guys. I have no words.
Your brother bent it, but look, it sits perfectly on the side of
It's actually kind of perfect, I'm not gonna lie.
It's so good.